Racks. Racks. I have no idea what that was. Anyhow, what do you want to do today then? No, we're not doing that. Ben at work, not to be confused with the Australian band Men at Work, suggested that we do a souffle. So for Ben, here's the souffle. So to make this easy for yourself, get all the ingredients ready. So I've got some mustard, 3 egg whites, egg yolk, breadcrumbs, 2 ramekins, some butter, 2 butters, I'll tell you why, some flour, some milk, some cream, and 2 lots of cheese. I'll explain why. So Ben at Work says, make a souffle. Okay, that'll be easy, I thought to myself. And then I found this really souffle easy recipe to do. And it's an easy souffle recipe. So let's do it. We're doing Operation Make Sure Souffle Doesn't Stick to Your Ramekins. No one wants that, do they? So I'm going to brush some butter in here, and then I'm going to dust it with these breadcrumbs. Don't be shy when it comes to using the butter, and also get a load of butter on the edge there, because when this souffle rises, it might stick, so we don't want that. And now I'm going to cover this with breadcrumbs. If you have a non-stick pan, which I guess is a sticky pan, use it, but no problems if you don't. I'm going to I'm going to melt my butter in there. And now it's melted, I'm just going to put in my flour. Just whisk those together. I've just got a small roux in there. Now I've warmed this milk up just to room temperature, and now we're going to just add this a little bit at a time. Okay, so we're going to add our Dijon mustard, and then we're going to add our cheese next. Okay, and I'm going to put this now into a bowl. Okay, and this is cooled just for a few minutes, and I'm going to add the egg yolk and stir that in. Okay, something I forgot to put out is a little bit of lemon. Just put a little bit of lemon juice in with your egg yolks. That'll help with the whole rising and all that kind of stuff. I don't know if that's true. That's just something I heard. It's true that I heard it, but I don't know if that's true. Anyway, let's do that. Okay, we're going to whisk this to soft peaks, and then we're going to put some salt in and some seasoning, and then we're going to whisk it to firm peaks. Okay, I think they're looking pretty good. Yeah, that's about right. We take a third of our egg yolk, of our egg white, and we're going to whisk that real quick into the mixture. Okay, and now we're going to gently fold in the rest. So that's the last bit that's gone in there now. Okay, and now we're going to put this stuff into here. Got a baking tray here. I'm going to put some boiling water in here, and then I'm going to cook this at 190 for about 7 or 8 minutes, but do check on it because this is not an exact science. Just tidy that bit up. Quite nice. Souffle comes with a cheesy sauce, but before we start cooking that, I'm going to pair up some wine. It is a Sauvignon Blanc. It's smooth, it's fruity, just like me. Okay, we're going to make a cheeky little sauce. So I've got 75 grams, I think, of cream in here. Should be 75 grams of cream. And I'm going to bring that to the boil. Okay, and I'm going to add my second lot of cheese. Just get it nice and smooth. I'm just going to put a teaspoon of Cointreau in here. And I can just put that to one side and get ready to serve the soufflés. Now folks, these are twice baked soufflés. So what I'm going to do is take it out of the oven and then you just let it rest until you're ready to serve up. And then stick it back in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes. Warm up the cream again. It's all done. They've actually come out much better than I thought they would. No, I knew they were going to come out like that. Anyway, now, next job. Let's let this cool down a little bit. Take them out of the ramekins onto there. Okay, so we can let these, I can't believe they've turned out like this. We're going to let these stay at room temperature, then put them in the oven when we're ready to serve for about 4 or 5 minutes. It's okay to leave them upside down like that, and then serve with some cream and some salad. Hey! I mean, like, you know, I always knew it was going to turn out okay. And I'm just heating up the sauce. I cannot believe how well they've turned out. If you like this video, why don't you subscribe?